Hi guys, in this video I'm reviewing Thayers Snow Mushroom Hydrating Milky Toner. This toner is said to be a pH balanced milky toner that is gentle, hydrating, alcohol free, creamy, fragrance free, non-comedogenic, leaves the skin feeling smooth, comforted, prepped for your next step in your skincare routine. It is formulated with a blend of snow mushroom, hyaluronic acid, elderflower water to keep the skin hydrated even without a moisturizer. So this toner comes in two sizes. There's a smaller one which is 30 ml and it retails for $4.50, and there's this one which is 355 ml that retails for $15. There's an ongoing deal right now where you get this bottle, two of it, for $20. Links will be in the description box and also pinned in the comment section, so make sure you check it out and do shop through the links. Thank you so much as you support me. So who's this toner recommended to? According to the brand, it's best for those who have dry and sensitive skin. In my opinion, all skin types can use it, and I actually did purchase this to replace my Laneige Cream Skin Refiner. I do love milky toners a lot, so if you haven't subscribed to my channel already, now is the perfect time for you to do so you don't miss out on future uploads. How to use? The brand recommends that you should use it after cleansing or washing your face. And what you should do is that you should pour it into a cotton round or a cotton pad, or pour it into your palms, then sweep it across your face and use it morning and night. What I do is simply pour it into my palms, then press pat it into my skin and let it air dry before I go in with other products. So I'm going to show you guys how I use this in my skincare routine step by step. But first, I want to show you how it looks in terms of the consistency on the back of my palm before I go in to show you how this looks on my face. So right now I'm dispensing this down. You can see it's a thick toner yet runny. I'm just going to blend this into my skin. So I'm going to give this some time to air dry, and I'll show you what the back of my palm looks like afterwards. So here's what the back of my palm looks like after the toner has sunk in. I do get this slight sticky feel to it. In terms of fragrance, this is fragrance free, but let me sniff it so I can tell you guys better. It does have a scent to it that's not overpowering. I don't really know how to describe the scent. It just smells like soap to me. So time for face application. The first thing I need to do is to take off this makeup that you guys can see, and to do this I am going to be double cleansing. Bear in mind, for me to double cleanse, I like to use an oil-based cleanser and a water-based cleanser. So the first step is to go in with my cleansing oil. I'm just going to dispense that into my palm. Also, you may see some outfit change, so bear that in mind. Spray it on my face like so. And this is just going to help me break down my sunscreen, my makeup, my mascara, everything that is on my face. I'm just going to go to the bathroom to finish this up. So I'm back from rinsing off the cleansing oil. I used the washcloth to wipe my face, hence why my face is dry, like there's no water on my face. So now I'm going to go in with my cleanser. So this I'm going to continue in the shower, and I'll be back to apply the other products. So it's time for me to go in with the Thayers toner. And now this is where I want you guys to really see what I mean. And also I'm trying to see if it's going to happen again today. So I don't know if you guys can see. I don't know if it's just me, but this is lathering up. So my first impression of this toner, I thought I had soap on my face because of how well it lathered. So I was like, is this a toner or is this a face wash? So if there's one thing you need to know about this toner, is that it does lather up. But don't be alarmed. Just give it some time to air dry and everything will be good. So next I'm going to go in with this serum from Beauty of Joseon. This is their Glow Dip Serum Rice Plus Alpha and Betaine. Got it? I need one more. Yeah, this I'm just going to massage it on. And the next one is this Ceramide Acid. This is from Niche Lab Beauty. I just go in with 3 or 4 pumps. And this I'm just going to tap like so and spread. I don't really like how this smells, but I'm using it either way. So after that, it's time for my moisturizer. So this one is from Biotherm. This is their Cera Repair Barrier Cream. This is my current favorite moisturizer from Biotherm. I feel like the fragrance in here is not overpowering. Sometimes I feel like I don't even notice the fragrance it has, but with the other products I do get a scent, and sometimes I find it overwhelming. And I spread on my skin. This is such a nice thick moisturizer that is non-greasy, and my skin loves it. You see that? To seal this up, I'm going in with my Cerave Advanced Repair Ointment, and I'll use this on my lips. So that's pretty much it for my skincare routine. I'm going to come forward so you guys can get a closer view of my face. So I understand that I used about 7 products from my cleansing oil all the way down to my lip balm. But if you want something really simple and very fast, after you go in with your cleanser and you're done with that, just apply this toner and you can skip moisturizer. The brand even says it that you can skip moisturizer. But if you want like a 3-step after washing your face, use a toner, go in with a serum, then a moisturizer, or use a toner, then use a moisturizer, and that's all. However, if you know you have acne or hyperpigmentation, do not forget that after using the toner, go in with serums that you use to treat, then apply moisturizer. So that's how I use this toner in my skincare routine. Is this something you're going to purchase, or do you already use it? I'd love to hear from you guys. With that being said, this is the end of this video. I hope you found it helpful. If you do, let me know in the comments. Give this video a thumbs up, share it to those who you think would love to see it, and I'll see you guys in my next one. Bye guys, thank you so much for watching.